The Channel Master Booster Series line of products are easy to install, professional-grade TV antenna distribution amplifiers. They're used to split TV antenna signals into 2, 4, or 8 outputs, and are ideal for connecting multiple televisions to a TV antenna without losing signal strength. With built-in out-of-band and LTE filters, these amps are specifically optimized for use with over-the-air TV antennas. Booster Series amps also include a unique passive bypass feature, which in the event of power loss, they continue to function as a splitter, passing signal through without amplification to wall-connected televisions. Thanks to their heavy-duty weatherproof housing and premium internal components, the Booster Series amps can be installed indoor or outdoor, even in the most extreme climates. Please subscribe to our official YouTube channel or visit us online at channelmaster.com.